Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be taking a closer look at two popular vlogging cameras, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. We will evaluate these cameras in several categories to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your vlogging needs. But before we jump into the comparison, make sure to hit that like button, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let's get started. When it comes to price, both cameras are quite competitive. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is priced at $798, while the Canon EOS R50 comes in at $799, so there is not much difference in terms of cost. In terms of image quality, both cameras deliver exceptional results. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor and a fast Bions X processor. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 boasts a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and a Digic X processor. Both cameras perform exceptionally well in various lighting conditions, allowing you to capture stunning vlogs. When it comes to video capabilities, both cameras offer impressive features. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 supports 4K movies oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, resulting in exceptional video quality. It also has a product showcase setting that smoothly transitions focus from face to object, making it ideal for vlogging. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 allows you to shoot uncropped 4K movies with dual-pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 FPS, oversampled from 6K. It also offers a close-up demo mode that quickly switches focus when a product is brought close to the camera. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features fast and accurate autofocus, ensuring your subjects are always in focus. It also has a background defocus button that instantly toggles between defocus effect on-off. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 comes with dual-pixel CMOS AFE, covering up to 100% by 100% area with 651 AF zones. It uses deep learning technology for auto-subject detection and tracking of people, animals, and vehicles, so you can trust that both cameras will deliver sharp and focused shots for your vlogs. And that concludes our comparison between the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. Both cameras have their strengths and are excellent choices for vlogging. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 shines with its impressive 4K video capabilities, while the Canon EOS R50 offers advanced autofocus technology. Ultimately, the choice boils down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment letting us know your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy vlogging!